Hi. Is this your first time seeing my face? Hi, my name's jemorag. Currently, I'm 20, and my life is a mess. But we're getting it together. So tonight, I gotta get my apartment together. I gotta get everything together. Hold up. Okay. I got a shirt on now. I'm honestly just putting this out because I need to be more consistent. So I'm just trying to make more videos. So here I am making more videos, staying motherfucking consistent because I've been seeing my numbers have been going up and my watch time has been going up. I'm making more videos so I can have more videos for you to watch so my watch time will go up. So make sure y'all subscribe and watch my old videos. Like, I don't even care if y'all not just watching them. Just put them on in the background, yo. Like, come on, help a bitch out. But we're in my bedroom. Let's show y'all a before. So this is what my current bedroom. This stuff, that's dirty right there. But that's what it looks like right now. Me and my man do sleep in separate beds because he works night shift. And I don't even feel like I gotta explain it, but I take up a lot of the bed. So you look. My YouTube video says, oh damn, my ass fat. Y'all see that? Y'all see the caked up, and you know it. But anyways, what was I gonna say? Oh, since we're in here, we're gonna start in here. Oh, if y'all hear, how do I turn it down? Okay, so we're just gonna start in here. We're gonna start by folding all of these clothes because it's a shit ton of clothes. Okay, so I'm not talking too much in the video because I'm just folding the clothes. I don't really talk too much in this video, so a voiceover time, stop playing. I haven't done a voiceover since I've been back doing YouTube again in the past 6 months. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all haven't liked and subscribed yet, that's bogus. We're 4 minutes into the video. Anyways. So some of y'all know that I have ADD, so I can't stay on one project for too long. So now we're in the kitchen. I'm just gonna load the dishwasher up while I'm in here and put the food away. Take trash out. I did finish like a good amount. I can't be talking sometimes. I did finish a good amount of folding the clothes. And so not a good amount because that's literally 3 loads worth of clothes that I'm washing. It's 3 loads of clothes that I'm folding and I gotta fold. We need more trash bags, need paper towels. It's literally always something like. Then my man just got a ticket in the mail from when his car broke down. Car's still not fixed, y'all. Like, come on now. At least y'all could do is subscribe. Because the bitch is going through it. Y'all know? Well, I don't know. Not everybody know that I got 3 jobs, but a bitch got 3 jobs. I'm out here working my tail off. But you know, I like having three jobs. It's really good fucking exercise. Especially when I gotta get on the bus and go to the jobs and shit. I'm not complaining because summer coming around and I'm gonna be for real. Senior year of high school, I was the most active I was. And that's when I was a lot less. Like, I've gained like 120 pounds since senior year. Bitches, y'all see me. Y'all see me. Just duh. Again, obviously y'all could see me washing dishes. I mentioned that I have ADHD, so I will not stay in the same room for longer. Well, the time frame on here is weird, so I won't stay in the same room for not too long, and I think that's better for the content. Y'all let me know if y'all like me changing rooms or not, because like unless y'all want me to like completely finish one room before moving on to the next room, but like, yeah, the time-lapsing thing is kind of weird. This is fast-forwarded right now. And, yeah. So, we're back in the room. This is what I have so far. Still me on the TV. Getting my watch time up. Oh. Let's get back to... Oh. Y'all can barely see me. And I said next week I'm getting this tripod, but y'all, I don't know. Money been... it's been crazy. Hopefully, I will be able to get the cart. I am. I'm gonna just treat myself. Y'all, I was able to get the cart, and it I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying, but it comes with a ring light and a little tripod thing. It's only like 10 inches tall, but that's perfectly what I need right now to continue doing content, to get better at what I'm doing. Because, yeah. And make sure y'all go watch my other videos. Get my watch time at Buki. I'm really trying to get paid for this. Like I said before, I'm working 3 jobs. Literally. I'm on the payroll for 3 motherfucking jobs. It's insane out here. You know it's hard out here for but it sure smell like my man,
when you gotta get the money for the rent.
I wish my man was here so I could just smell him. Like, I don't... Child, I don't know what it is. I just love the smell of my man. Like, my man. Okay, we are going to take a break. Not a break, but take another folding break and start picking up trash and picking up the floor around me. Then I still have to wipe the counters and the stove. It's like that.
What, man? What's your car? Roll. Fuck your car over.
Piece of great shit, I mean. No, you just said it.
Yo, brother. Yo, G.
Okay, so I'm in the kitchen now. I'm still not fully done the room, but as I said before, I can't stick to one task. So don't mind me. This is ghetto cleaning 101. This is just how I clean before I go to sleep. Like, yeah. So as you can see, I'm wiping the counters down. Then I will be moving over to the stove. I believe I haven't. This is my first time editing it, and I haven't looked past it because I'm just trying to get more videos out for y'all. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, I go to the stove and I just do the stove next. I should have moved those Johns in the back, but yeah, I'll be on a time crunch. I'll do that when I have another deep cleaning. But like I said before, I don't like deep cleaning and stuff and recording because it takes away from me deep cleaning, like me having a problem with the phone. It'd be better if I had two phones. And coming soon again, I will be having two phones again. But my tripod, my ring light tripod thing is in the mail. So, stop cleaning. Okay, so this is just me putting more clothes away. I'm back in the room now because y'all know I could never stay in one place. I don't know if I got me cleaning the bathroom on this. I'm really not too sure. But I'm still putting all these fucking clothes away because I think I said it was 3 loads. I can't remember how many loads it was. My next video is going to be a story time, y'all. I don't know what story time yet, but I will be filming it after I edit this video.
But fruit gloves aside, I'm avoiding your mother because of Leo.
Okay,
Yeah, just cut it. I'm worried I just.
So I'm back. Now I'm cleaning up this table. I will hopefully get that stuff underneath the table and clean that up. I think I also washed the table in the kitchen. I'm just doing a fast edit cut this time, y'all. If anybody want to make my intro or know how to make intros, hit me up because I need a new intro. Like yesterday, I'm using an intro that my little cousin made for me like 3 months ago. Months, bitch, years. I meant years. Yeah. Oh, so I do show me cleaning the bathtub a little bit. Not too much, not too much. It is crusty, dusty, busty in there. Look at my butt. Ass so fat like the sun. Stop playing. But, yeah, y'all see me cleaning, cleaning. Okay, so I stay never doing outros. But that's the end of the video. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. And make sure you go like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you again next time because I know y'all be back.